Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hi everybody, Wire here. I think what we're going to do next is this Billings wrench. I asked around if there was any way to take this apart. Scoutcrafter got back to me, said there's some pins in here that we can drill out. Well, I'm not going to do that. I have nothing to replace it with, and I don't want to mess this up. This is a nice wrench. I think what we're going to do is just wire wheel it and see what we can get out of it. Anyway, let me get the wire wheel set up and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we have. Didn't turn out too bad. Got most of the surface rust off of it. As you can see, this is kind of dinged up. I'm going to take a file to this. And back here is kind of dinged up. We'll take a file to that and try to smooth all this out. And then we'll put it on the belt sander and see if we can polish this up a little bit. So let's do that right now. Okay, here's what we got so far before the belt broke. I think what I'm going to have to do, being since I can't take this all apart, is use a Dremel tool on it for some of these nicks and everything. So let's it does look real nice, but there's some parts that I'm going to have to do via the Dremel tool. I just can't get into some of these spots. So let's see if I can grind out some of this stuff here, this casting stuff, see if I can flatten that out a little bit. So let's get to it. Okay, well, we finished using that little grinding wheel, trying to get some of this stuff a little flat. I'll be honest with you, whoever owned this before really beat the hell out of it. I mean, there's all kind of gouges and nicks and all kind of things in here. That looks like it was used more for a hammer than it was a wrench. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try using a little rotary sander here and try to get a lot of these dings and notches kind of smooth out a little bit, because it really doesn't look too good the way it is now. So let's get to that, and we'll see where we are after that. Okay, this is what we have so far. It's a little polish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some 220 grit sandpaper and kind of even this all out by hand. I didn't do the main shank. Seemed like that was okay. I might hit it lightly with the sandpaper. This would have been a lot easier if I had taken it apart, but like I said, I wasn't going to go that far with it. Like I said, I have no way of knocking these pins out that are fairly faint to see. So we'll just get it as far as we can. It still looks a lot better than it did before. So let's get on this sandpaper and see how she looks afterwards. I will be buffing it after the sandpaper. Okay, here she is. Turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Nice and polished up real good. Got most of the dings and nicks out of it. It does look pretty nice. This probably will go in my collection. All I got to do to it now is probably oil her up, maybe shellac her. I probably won't be using this. I've got other monkey wrenches that I use for plumbing, but turned out fairly well. Let me move this up a little bit. Let's see what we got here. Okay, like I said, it turned out real well. So I don't know if you can see this or not. It does have the Billings logo and the Coes logo, so it turned out fairly decent. A lot shinier than it was before. You have to excuse the focus. I'm not using a GoPro or anything like that. I'm using my Canon DSLR camera for my videos. Right now it's the only thing I can afford. I think the next thing on the list is a better buffer. This Black & Decker is a Black & Decker. Anyway, let me focus in on this a little bit better for you. Like I said, it did clean up real nice. I'm really happy with it. Next on the list is those set of Klein pliers right here. I got the handle grips in, so this is going to be next. I'm waiting till I get some belts for this belt sander. It broke in the middle of this thing, but it wasn't a good belt anyway. But I'm going to wait till I ordered some 320s grit paper for that, so we're going to wait for that. And then I'll come in and then I'll do the Kleins. Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscriber list up. You can email me, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless everyone. This is Wire at Wireworks. Peace.